In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a digital marketing agency website, WordPress Elementor. We're going to build a clean professional agency website using WordPress and Elementor, and the process is beginner friendly if you follow along carefully. First, start by signing up with an affordable hosting provider so you can secure your domain name and get the storage space your website needs. This is the foundation of your site, so make sure your domain matches your brand and is easy to remember. Once your hosting is ready, install WordPress and log into your admin dashboard. From there, go into Posts and Pages and delete the default placeholder content that comes with a fresh WordPress install. This helps you start with a clean workspace and avoids leaving unnecessary sample pages on your site. Next, it's time to install your free theme and plugins. Go to Appearance, then Themes, then Add New. Search for Hello Elementor, install it, and activate it. This theme is lightweight and works especially well with Elementor, which makes it a great choice for a custom agency website. After that, go to Plugins, then Add New, search for Elementor Website Builder, and install and activate it. Elementor gives you a visual drag and drop editor, which makes the design process much easier, especially if you don't want to code. Now open any new page and click Edit with Elementor. Before you start building, take a moment to configure your global design settings. This is where you can set your site-wide fonts, colors, and overall design rules. Doing this early keeps your branding consistent and saves time later. Next, create a new page by going to Pages and selecting Add New. Title the page Home, set the template layout to Elementor full width, and begin building the essential structure of your agency site using sections or containers. This gives you full control over the layout and helps create a modern, polished homepage. From there, build your core agency sections from scratch. Focus on the main areas your visitors expect to see, and keep the layout clear and easy to scan. As you build, make sure spacing, alignment, and visual hierarchy support a professional look. Once the page structure is in place, optimize everything for mobile responsiveness. Check how your design looks on smaller screens and adjust spacing, text sizes, and layouts where needed. A large portion of your traffic will likely come from mobile users, so this step is essential. After that, launch your navigation and footer so visitors can move through the site easily and find important information quickly. Finally, go to Appearance and then Menus to build your header navigation layout. Keep it simple, organized, and intuitive so the user experience feels smooth from the moment someone lands on your website.